Hello everyone, this is our birth baby weight prediction project using machine learning. It is the project based paper, and now we can see the project presentation. Now we can see the project simulation, how we run this project. Our project made by Python Flask framework and using HTML CSS for frontend and backend. This is our dataset for this project. This dataset took from Garbage website. After pre-processing, we use this dataset. Now we run this project. Our project run by our local host. This is our project landing page. Now we can give the input data for making prediction. Now our model predicted baby weight in gram. I hope you like this video. If you want to more videos, like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.